Located in the western part of Ratchaburi province in Thailand, this picture-perfect location is known only to the Thai locals. Last September, with some close friends from Bangkok, I went on a camping trip to experience everything this destination had to offer. This is Mahad-Thaitara. After a long 4-hour drive from Bangkok city, we finally arrived at our campsite by the lake.
Right, looking good.
Sam had brought us this wheelbarrow, and the first thing that we had to do was to unload and transport all our camping gear up to the campsite. Our designated spot was right in front of the homestay. We quickly got to work, pitching our tents and using the power at this cafe shack to help us inflate our mattresses. As we waited for the rest of our friends to arrive, I took the opportunity to fly the drone, catching the first glimpses of the surrounding scenery. Soon enough, our friends arrived. That's F, carrying our bulky communal tent on his back.
F ประกอบเสาให้หน่อยดิ
อันนั้นมันสั้นไงแต่อันนี้มันยาว
40,000กับ20,000เอาเวลา
แต่นั่งดีด้วย
เดี๋ยวกูลองนั่ง
ทำเก้าอี้ไปด้วยนะ
After we finally finished setting up our biggest tent, it was time to chill the bottles of beer, set the makeshift tables, and of course, prepare the food for dinner.
แต่ไม่มีน้ำมันเลยมาให้ด้วยแกงนี่วะ
อันนี้มันคือ CBD มันเอาไปใช้การแพทย์สำหรับคนที่แบบ
Fortunately for us, we would be having some delicious steak that evening, courtesy of Greg, who had already started helping with the setting up of the lights right after she arrived.
ผมมีเสมอ
ไม่เจอ
นี่
ร้านอ่ะ
ไม่ได้แล้วไม่ถึงแค่นี้ได้แค่นี้โอ้ได้แค่นี้
My friends really went all out with the decorations, which I knew would look awesome once the night came. With only 1 hour remaining before sunset, we headed down to the lakeshore to capture some beautiful photos, using the view of nature as our picturesque backdrop.
Wow
อยากเต็มแล้วเอาดีๆเอาสวยๆอ่ะเดี๋ยวเอาใหม่เอาโบเอาใหม่เอาสวยๆ1 2 3
มันต้องงี้ไงลีลาดอ่ะ
คุณเหนื่อยแล้วบางทีอ่ะคุณเหนื่อยมึงนะ
1 It seemed that our efforts in setting up the lights paid off, and we really had a vibe going that night. And guess what else they prepared? They even prepared mukata. I never expected to be having mukata in the middle of nature like this, much less sharing my first real camping experience in the countryside with a group of foreign friends who I know I won't ever forget. As the night went on, we enjoyed great food and drinks, getting drunk and singing medleys, songs that I didn't know, but that didn't matter. I only felt gratitude, thankful for the fact that I've ever made these friends. Mahad-Thaitara had been amazing thus far, but it's them that made this experience that much more special. The day began with a light morning drizzle and the ambience was just perfect. After my ice-brewed coffee fix, I decided to use my last few hours here to venture around on my own, accompanied only with my camera and my drone. By that time, most of the other campers were up and packing. Like us, they would be ending their weekend getaway and returning home. But we had one last stop before the journey back to Bangkok. Across the lake from the campsite, this quaint cafe is a popular photo spot among the locals, thanks to its plantation of tall trees.